Hey friends, in this video I will tell you that how to transfer files from PC to mobile phone and from mobile phone to PC. First install Zapya in your PC and also install Zapya in your cell phone. After installing Zapya, open it and also open Zapya in your cell phone. You can see both Zapya on the screen. Click on Create Hotspot Group. After clicking, you will see a QR code. Click on Scan option in your cell and scan QR code. Yes, it is connected. And now we can transfer files between the devices. Click on Send Files in your PC and select a file. Yes, it is done. And now we send a video from mobile phone to PC. Select a video and click to send. Yes, it is done. It is nice and fast method for data sharing. For downloading Zapya, check link in description. I hope you will enjoy this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye.